Okay, welcome back. We got to the point where we've just mounted our duct onto the wall with double-sided tape. We've got it nice and straight. We now have to cut this particular unit because it was a fraction long, because we measured the 500 millimeters and the duct cover doesn't slide up inside the duct as so. So we have to measure it at the bottom there with a square edge, come over here and do the cut. Now I've already cut this ready to go, so in the process of doing that, the golden rule is once you've pencil lined or use a texter to mark the edge of that where it meets the bottom edge of the duct cover here, make sure that if you measure it and then you put a square across it, that you cut to the outside of the line, because the line is the mark, or unless you mark it alternately that you cut the line. But either way, this needs to be accurate and you will be assessed on this being accurate. The next point is to insert a wire inside the duct so we can terminate a power point, so you need enough wire to poke out the top and enough wire to poke out the bottom so we can complete two tests. And the two tests that we will be completing are similar to what we've already previously been done in other units up to this particular stage in the course, and that is we'll be doing a polarity check to make sure the wire goes to the correct termination point, and number two, an insulation resistance test using Omega. And that'll be a 500 volt test, and that will make sure that there's no shorts between the earth to neutral, the earth to active, or the active to neutral conductors.